Hi, everyone. I talk a lot about portfolio creation and creating a photography series and using a shot list to make sure you produce images that work well together. But there's also something that I call a standalone image. It's an image that tells a whole story by itself and it doesn't need anything to go with it. And often, if you try to pair it with other images, it just doesn't work. And this image of Vinca that I shot at the Natural Light Portraits workshop in front of the car is one of those shots. First off, I made that photo shoot for the students, so that I had to give a lot of space for the students to shoot there. I also shot together with them, but in the end, I really worked the scene for a while just to get this one shot of her in front of the car in the rain with the headlights on. And in order to show rain, it has to be lit from the back like that. And we took the lights of the car and used a reflector to shine that light back on her. So we didn't use any external artificial lighting. And yeah, in the end, we got the shot.